Welcome to the Fix It Tech News channel, and of course, at the Consumer Electronics Show virtual event, Intel has been showing off its new processors, the new Core i5, i7, and i3, and i9s that are in the new 10 nanometer process. They're the 11th generation processors that are coming out. But there's one thing that I find interesting, because they were mentioning that on the business-oriented Intel chips, they have added a layer which does some verification for malware. And so it is interesting to see that, and I do understand that probably it takes some small processing power off of the chip, maybe. It depends on how it's designed, but so it's really oriented for business, and I was thinking about how this should be on every processor, I think. I mean, the best security is you being careful, but if the Intel or the CPU has some way of detecting some types, at least, of malware or ransomware of all kinds, that could be a useful thing for even the general consumer versions of the Intel chips. So I really wish that Intel actually does that on every CPU in the future. It's another layer of security that could be helpful. Never know. Even though, once again, like I say, it's always you that is the number one security. So this, of course, there's lots of announcements of different things happening, and every manufacturer is actually trying to present its own devices and chips this week. So it's kind of interesting, and we're going to continue checking out what is newsworthy and posted here on the channel. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.